New South Wales clubs are diversifying in order to meet the needs of their communities. Revesby Workers Club has been something of a trailblazer. In 2009, they opened a long-day childcare centre and more recently a retail precinct, 10-pin bowling centre and a medical practice. And now, in an industry first, they've opened a cancer treatment centre on club land.
Icon Cancer Care Centre was opened about 6 weeks ago. We provide comprehensive range of cancer treatment, including chemotherapy, radiation therapy, as well as treatment of various blood disorders. Previously, patients would have to travel out of the area for cancer treatment.
They had to either travel to Liverpool or out into the St George area, and they could be there all day. They could get transport community, but then they'd be there with a group of 10 other people in a room all being treated.
That was the thing, was the transport. It would take, sometimes I was picked up at 9:30 and I got home at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but there was always extra people to go before me to get out because I lived at Padstow.
Well, Dr Weeks is a doctor who's worked in the area for many, many years, well respected, and he felt there was a need to have oncology service within the Bankstown area.
So I actually rang up a friend of mine who was the head of oncology at Bankstown, and I said to him, you know, what do we need in this area? He said, we desperately need radiotherapy. So I hunted around and I talked to lots and lots of different people, and eventually I found Icon.
They were looking for a space, and we actually had a large building we've put away, and we're trying to lease out over 1,000 square metres, and they saw the merit of being close to the club and with a large community base, membership base.
We've been made to feel very welcome by the local medical community, and the Revesby Workers Club has been exceptional in the support of this project.
John, can you start by telling us when you were first diagnosed with cancer?
It was at Dr Weeks' surgery. I had a small skin cancer and he took it out, but he told me that he didn't think that he'd got the lot. I didn't take any notice of the wound as I should have, and it developed from there.
He's a patient of Dr Weeks, and he noticed it on his arm. It's a skin cancer, and he comes here every day for 4 weeks, 5 days a week, and it's going good.
Seeing an older group of patients, I see a lot of people with cancer, and cancer is a pretty frightening term when someone's faced with it. And yeah, treatment for it is extensive.
And being able to access treatment close to home can relieve some of the stress that they may be feeling.
We find it very, very convenient, and we wouldn't have been able to go to a hospital, too much travelling.
So handy to use this facility that it should be a big asset to the community here.
Wonderful treatment, wonderful people, very caring, and very thankful for the Revesby Workers Club for this facility. It's wonderful.
From my experience with the club, they were wanting to give something back to the community. The community made the club, they're now giving something back.
They all know me and always greet me when I come in, so I couldn't have any better treatment than what I'm getting.
CrownBet Rewards members earn reward points to be used on Crown hotels, restaurants, and even money can't buy experiences. Join today. CrownBet. Reward yourself.